Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Teagan from Dandy's World. First we're going to get started with our eyes, and on the right hand side we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval. Now moving over on the left hand side, lining it up at the same height, we'll replicate that. Closing off the top of the eye now, in the middle we're going to curve this line up, down, and then we're going to extend this further out past our oval. And then we're going to move over on the left hand side, lining it up at the same height, and we'll replicate that. On the bottom for the eyelashes now, we're just going to draw in two diagonal lines coming down, making the one on the inside slightly shorter. For the pupil now, we're going to draw in a half circle underneath. And then moving over to the top on the inside corner, we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight. Moving in towards the middle underneath, we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right for the top of the mouth. And then underneath that, we're just going to draw in a small arch line. Let's close off the head now. So coming over towards the middle, we're going to curve this line over and out towards the left, bringing that past our eye. And then we're going to start back on our center line here, curving this line around and then down and across on the right. On the top now, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. Let's draw in a small curved line from that point that comes in towards the middle. Now from here again, we're going to continue to draw an arch line that comes in on the top. And then again, two more times, bringing this over and then in towards the middle. Let's close off the shape of the head now. So as we come over on the left-hand side from that corner, we're going to bring this line down and then in. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, bringing this line down and then back in. Now from here, let's close this off on the bottom, and we're going to curve this line around and then up on the right. Now from here, moving over on the left, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off now with a curved line from left to right, bringing that over and then up on the right. In the middle, we're going to draw in the letter V. For the scarf hanging over, we're going to start on the top here from the corner, curving this line out and then in. And we'll do this on both sides. And now as we start back on this line, we're going to continue to arch this line over and then out towards the side. Now from the top corner here, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then starting back on this line, we're just going to continue to arch this line around, in, and then back up on the side. Now for the dress on the inside, we're going to curve this line out, in, and then back across. And then we'll do the same on the right, curving this out, down, and then in towards the scarf. We're going to close this off on the bottom now with an arch line, bringing that further up on the right. We're going to draw in a star on the top, curving this line out on both sides. And then we'll do the same thing, curving this line down in the middle at a point, connecting that together. We'll do this again as we move down. And then again, curving this line down on the bottom. And then we're going to draw this one more time as we move over on the left. Now let's draw in the arms. So coming underneath our scarf here, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in. Now moving underneath, we're going to follow this line through, curving this line around and then in. On the top now for the thumb, we're going to arch this line down And then one last time, we're just going to bring this diagonal line in towards the scarf. Now for the legs coming underneath, we're just going to arch this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Teagan from Danny's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.